Got rough cuts and edges? See the difference smoothing out the chamois or makeup sponge can make. Regular pottery sponges can strip the clay surface, revealing sand and grog. Moving in one direction, compress and run the chamois along the clay edge. With each stroke, you will see the edge soften. My clay is a bit too plastic for this right now, but it's best to do this before leather hard. See how smooth the chamois end is compared to the raw end? Make sure your chamois is damp but not fully saturated with water. Too much water introduced to the clay will break the clay particles' tension, resulting in overly floppy and slip-like clay.